Let's talk about our last principle, and that is that efficiency trumps grit. And this is great news for those that always think, I'm never going to work as hard as this person, or I'll never be able to put in the time as this person. This is going to be good news for you, because to be good at learning, to be good at a task or a skill, you don't have to actually be the hardest worker. You don't have to constantly be on and constantly be productive. Every single day when you wake up, you have to wake up at 4 a.m. and work all day until 9 p.m. and then go to sleep and repeat. We live in a society right now where there's a lot of type A personalities. That is, there's a lot of people with a lot of drive, a lot of grit to constantly learn, to constantly push so that they're successful. And we keep hearing these terms all the time of, oh, I'm so busy. How's your day? Well, it's been a busy day. How was your weekend? Oh, I was really busy with work. I was really busy with family. I was really busy with this and that. This idea of being busy now is seen as a badge of honor in our societies. Being busy is a good thing. But the truth is, being busy just shows that you have lack of time management skills. And what you'll discover is that efficient learning isn't about being the absolute hardest worker. It's about being smart with your time. It's all about being efficient. And efficiency trumps grit. You can be a person that studies for 80 hours a week. Do nothing but study. Work harder than anybody else in the world. But if you're not using the right strategies, if you're not using the right methods and learning the right topics, then you'll actually be surpassed by somebody that spends less time than you because that person is being more efficient. Hopefully that's why you're taking this course, right? Because if learning was all about volume and how much learning you can do, well then anybody can do that. It's all about putting in the time. But we have limited time in our lives. We have limited skills that we can acquire in our life. So we want to be as efficient as possible with our time and use the right strategies, the right methods to learn the skills that we need to be successful. And this is great news. Efficiency trumps grit. If you use the right strategies, you can get ahead of others. And luckily, most people don't spend the time like you are doing now actually learning how to be an efficient learner. I hope this gets you excited because now that we're done with the pillars, we're going to get into actual science and techniques for us to become these efficient learners. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.